Lesson 9, renting a car. Common phrases: I'd like to rent a car. What's the daily rate? Do I need insurance? Where can I return the car? Dialogue: I'd like to rent a car for 3 days. Agent: what type of car would you like? A small car, please. The daily rate is $50. Do you need insurance? Yes, please. Lesson 20, at the laundry service. Common phrases: I need to wash my clothes. How much does it cost? When will it be ready? Can I get same-day service? Dialogue: I need to wash my clothes. How many items do you have? About 10. It will cost $15. When would you like to pick them up? Is same-day service possible? Lesson 21. At the police station. Common phrases: I need to report a lost item. My passport has been stolen. Can I make a report? What should I do now? Traveler: I need to report a lost item. Officer: what did you lose? Travel: I lost my wallet. Where did you last see it? At the restaurant. You can fill out a report here. Lesson 22, booking a tour. Common phrases: I'd like to book a tour. How long is the tour? Is lunch included? What time does it start? Dialogue: I'd like to book a city tour. How long is the tour? It's a 4-hour tour. Lunch is included. What time does it start? Starts at 10 a.m. Lesson 23, at the hair salon. Common phrases: I'd like a haircut. Can you cut it shorter? How much does it cost? Do I need an appointment? Dialogue: Customer: I'd like a haircut. How would you like it cut? Just a trim, please. Would you like it shorter? Yes, but not too short. Lesson 24, meeting new people. Common phrases: What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? It was nice to meet you. Person 1: Hi, what's your name? I'm John. And you? I'm Maria. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. What about you? What about you? I'm from Brazil. It was nice to meet you.